It is indeed a great honor and privilege to be associated with the wonderful program of foundation ceremony of various buildings. This hospital is popularly known as Koranti Hospital. Number of patients in those days with dog bites, snake bites, the patient, they used to rush to this hospital with the confidence that they get a beautiful medical care with utmost dedication of the doctors. I would like to congratulate all the doctors because this is one of the reputed hospital today, and Hyderabad is very fortunate to have such a wonderful hospital. When I was moving along with Honorable Minister to inaugurate the power grid, I was wondering whether I was entering into a hospital or I'm entering into an ashram. It looked like an ashram. Nice greenery, cleaner and atmosphere is so friendly, so greenery and all. So I would like to congratulate Superintendent of the hospital, Shankar Garu. I think this is the only hospital which take care of infectious diseases. No other hospital in Hyderabad, I think, which takes this infectious disease, because you, day and night, you work on it. And not only you work on it, but you try to control this the diseases to spread in the society. So that is a very important role you are playing today. So we have very reputed doctors here. In several years back, people from here used to go to the different part of the world to take a medical care. But today, world is looking at Hyderabad for the medical treatment and medical care. Such a vast development has taken place in the short period, whether it is infrastructure or doctors, or you have equipments. Every hospital has been equipped with the total latest technologies. And I would like to certainly congratulate the Chief Minister of Telangana, Chandrasekhar Rao Garu. For the first time, we have never heard that 100 crores have been given to Usmania Hospital and 100 crores is given to the Gandhi Hospital. And this is the first time. And I was really wondering, how can you spend these 100 crores, because you have a very short period of only 3 months. When I was talking to the director, he was telling me that we have already started procuring the equipment of worth about 75 crores and 25 crores has been given for our various other development. I really congratulate the Honorable Minister. We are very fortunate to have a minister. He himself is a doctor. He is a very good practicing doctor. He knows the in and out and sufferings of the doctors, hospitals, paramedical staff. And I have great respect for the paramedical staff, particularly sisters. I would like to share this moment because in the month of September, my mother was hospitalized and she was admitted in NIMS hospital. She was in hospital for 10 days. All of a sudden, because of sugar level drastically has come down, and she was almost in semi-coma state, and we admitted her into the NIMS hospital in ICU unit. There I have seen, 10 days I have seen nurses, sisters, the attachment with the patients, and every day she used to come and she used to call the patient and she used to call my mother as Amma, how are you? Amma, what are you going to take? How are you feeling? The attachment, the emotional attachment, I think it is remarkable. I cannot forget this in my life. My congratulations to all the sisters, those who are really rendering this service.